Welcome to How to Set Up and Maintain Your Aquarium by Declan Sandbrook and Nathan Bernhardt. Heater. Not normally needed for cold water fish, but for tropical fish, temperature is normally kept at 24 to 27 degrees. Air pump with oxygen stone and oxygen line creates dissolved oxygen for your fish survival. Water quality test kits. We have ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and general hardness and carbonate hardness with pH. Also included is food, biofiltration, mechanical filtration, light and fluoro globes, and finally water exchange equipment such as hose, net, and bucket.
Here we have some biofiltration media. This media is present in the mechanical filter. This increases the surface area, allowing for nitrifying bacteria to settle. This bacteria converts ammonia, which is toxic to fish, to nitrite, which is less toxic, and then finally to nitrate, which is again less toxic. Over here we have the heater, and you can see the heater can be adjusted to suit the temperature requirements of your fish. Here we have the oxygen stone, which can be turned on the air pump. This allows dissolved oxygen in the water, which allows the fish to respire and live happily. Once you have added your oxygen stone, mechanical filter and heater, you are now ready to fill your tank. As you can see, the oxygen stone is releasing dissolved oxygen into the water. The mechanical filter is also helping add dissolved oxygen into the water while filtering the water. Adelaide water is chlorinated, so you have to be careful when using this water to fill your tank.
Due to chlorine in the water, water needs to be dechlorinated. This can be done by either using sodium thiosulfate, commonly known as WaterAger. This is normally pre-prepared by aquarium stores or can be bought simply added to the tank. Stirring and letting dissolve. This will bubble off the excess chlorine in the tank. Water quality is a necessity for fish husbandry. Each packet is individually labelled and is useful for both saltwater and freshwater. Directions are via a titration test kit and are clearly labelled and individually signed. Using simple directions, 5 ml of water is removed from the tank, placed into a clear test tube, following instructions as per bottle 1, 5 drops are added. These are child locks. Then 5 drops of reagent B. Sample is then capped, inverted, and left to develop. Once test is developed, using the ID card, place the tube against the card with the sunlight and match it. This will give you your reading of what the actual ammonia is or nitrate compound you are testing. Ammonia is too high or pH is too high, water changes are required. 10% of volume is removed using length by width by height.
This can be done simply and effectively by siphoning the water.
Additional dechlorinated aged water is required to be placed back into the system.
Once your water quality is acceptable, you are now ready to add organisms into your tank. This should be done carefully to reduce any harm to your animals. It is advisable to put hardy species such as yabbies and marron into your tank to start, as the nitrifying bacteria may not be well established. When putting animals in your tank, you should try and replicate their natural environment. For crustacean species such as yabbies and marron, PVC pipes may be sufficient hides for them.